Welcome to Aichi Sky Expo. Every great event begins long before the doors open. It begins with a decision to connect, to discover, to create. Every journey starts with a destination. People don't just arrive with luggage. They arrive with ideas, with ambition, with a desire to build something new. And that is where every great event begins. At Aichi Sky Expo, we believe a venue is more than a building. It is where people meet, trust is built, and opportunities take shape. Because ideas become conversations, conversations become partnerships. Partnerships drive innovation, and innovation creates lasting impact. That is why Aichi Sky Expo exists. Not simply as a convention center, but as a gateway between Aichi and the world. A place where people, industries, cultures and possibilities come together. From Aichi to the world, connecting people, inspiring innovation, shaping the future. Welcome to Aichi Sky Expo, events beyond borders.
Welcome to Aichi Sky Expo, events beyond borders.